Okay, so today we're going to make toilet paper. And as you know, if you guys have not buy some toilet paper or whatever, and you know toilet paper is very sacred right now, I have a few backup right here. Okay, and if you don't worry. We're gonna make cotton toilet papers. Okay, now I'm gonna give you two options. Okay, you actually you got three. Your underwears, even your socks, and your t-shirt. In my case, in this video right here, I'm gonna tell you about t-shirt, and we're gonna turn that t-shirt into toilets. I have already cut them into third, but here's the thing. Go and find all the t-shirts that have holes in them and they're dirty and they're no longer used or whatever. You can use that as your toilet wipes, okay? When this time comes around and there's nothing left. Another option, you can actually use pet stuff. Like pee-pee pad. You can actually cut all the squares out. I'm not going to cut that now because I want to make this video. You can do that yourself, but I'm going to show you. All you have to do is take this plastic away. This will be your toilet paper right here. Okay? It is not great, but it will work. Yes, I have done it. Okay? So we got that out of the way. We're going to try to put on an example here. I cut this much out from one t-shirt. Imagine how many poop you can do with that. A lot. And at this time, if you want to wet it, you can wet it. Yes, you can wet this and then make it as a wet wipe. It actually works even better when you wet it. Yup. Give that a try. A little warm water. And there you go. How did I cut it? I left one pieces for you to make this video really short. As an average, this is a medium t-shirt. I was able to fold into 3. So I would say about 6 by 6. You know, that's pretty big. So you might be able to get 2 to get away with, because I did this so I can get 2 out of it. And remember, at this time, you have to learn how to conserve. And that's why I said, if you want, you can put a little bit of glycerine in there and mix this with water, warm water, and you can wipe your booty with it. Okay, now I'm sorry that the light this is white because those are white t-shirt. It doesn't have to be white or anything, as long as it's like, you know, those thin t-shirts that you no longer use. So go grab them. Don't ever throw them away, because now, see, because I didn't throw them away, I have a bunch of t-shirts. I always wear white t-shirts, and because I don't throw them away and they're bad, I said, you know, I'm going to use it for my dog. Sometimes I use it for my dog wipies and stuff. Like once a week, I take one and I wipe things with it, and then I just throw it away because that's the last leg, you know what I mean? So, luckily, I saved them. So now I'm able to make a bunch of them. I have a bunch of t-shirts. Yep, I'm a t-shirt and a jean guy. Anyway. So you fold into third, and usually it's like, you know, I find it as an average, large, small, medium t-shirt, you're able to fold 3 of those in. And that's what they would look like. And all you have to do is fold into third, and if you notice, sorry, there's a line right here, okay? You fold into third, and you would cut according to that line. That would be your one thing right there. Okay, and then the next is right here. Just crease it a little bit if you want. Open it up. You see that little line right there, and just cut that line. Or you can, you know, estimate it. Now you get your 2-ply right there. And as I stated, make sure they're good, because you know you're wiping your booty with it. And you can always wet it, and it'll be softer when you wet it. Okay? So this is how you do it. And then this last one right here, because it's on each side right here. Just cut that in half. And that's it. And you can make tons of it. Especially when you don't have those t-shirts that, you know, they're old anyway. They're no good anyway. Might as well use a toilet. Use it as a toilet thing. And just wet it with warm water before you start your, you know, your pooping. Put a little warm water in a little container. And wring these tubes out. Just a little warm water. That's it. 2 or 3. You know. So let's say if I use 2 per pooping. That would be like 1 day. Because I usually poop 2 days. 2 times a day. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's like almost 6 days right there. Almost 7 days right there. 1 t-shirt. I'm able to get almost a week out of it. Now that's just two, okay? So if you do 3, it'll be like 3 days. You know what I mean? But as long as it's there, that's what counts. And as long as you can make those, I mean, imagine just 1 t-shirt, you can make all that. Just cut them in little squares like these. And then put them around. And then, like I stated, before you go and you poop, okay, you would just wet it with warm water and you're all set. And that's how much you can do. Look, just 1 alone. That's pretty good for you know. I mean, people in the olden days, I've heard people olden days wipe their booty with newspaper when they were like in pretty much similar situation like we are now. In the depression age, when the depression time, I've heard a lot of stories from my grandmother telling me a lot of stuff. I don't know if it's true or not. She's not here. But sometimes I see this to become true. So it might be folk tales for some people, but hey, you know, it does come true. And this here, you can, like my dog wipe, if it comes to worse, I'll take my dog wipes, you know, for that. Too, I'll just take him out instead, and he gonna have to, you know, poop outside or whatever. I'm gonna use that for my toilet. So if you can't find them, don't worry. There are other ways. You can use socks, old socks, t-shirts, underwears, and maybe something that is cotton, because I like cotton, or little cotton and polyester, because that's what these are. They're really soft, because these are Eddie Bauer t-shirts, and they're really soft. But like I stated, it's been around for a while, and I dirty them and stuff, and I didn't really want to throw them away. So I said, you know, someday I might use it. And see, look, it gave me a reason now. So take all your old t-shirts, even underwears, and just cut them in pieces, and you'll be able to get your toilet paper right there. There's no need to buy them. You don't need to, because right now, oh my God, I got probably like maybe at least 20 of these. Now imagine 1 t-shirt. Just if you gave me 2 t-shirts per week, right? If that's a lot. If you gave me 2 t-shirts per week and I got 20, that's 10 weeks right there. Imagine just 20 t-shirts. But this is your last option. This is an idea with your last option, that you know how to make your toilet paper. When toilet paper is all out and you can't find it, it's going to be better than toilet paper, to be honest. At least you're wiping with cloth. But here's the thing. I saw all the toilet papers out. Okay, before I go, I saw all the toilet paper out. Here's the secret. They don't buy tissues, and they don't buy paper towel. Yes, cut the paper towel in half, right, and soak it in water, and it will soften for you to wipe your booty with it too. So There's other ways, okay? Water, aloe vera juice, and glycerine too. You put glycerine in hot water. You heat up hot water and put glycerine in it. You use that as like a lotion, like. So it's even better. But anyway, other than that, that's about it on this video. And I hope this is useful to you when that time comes and you can't find it. Don't worry. Socks, t-shirts, and underwears. The old stuff that you don't want, just cut them and do it just like what I do. Okay? Other than that, that's about it on the video. Next video, I will show you how to make a mask out of t-shirt with less sewing, okay? Because we gotta sew some part of it, but it's really easy. I develop a way that is really easy to do. Okay? Other than that, that's about it on the video, and I hope this video is helpful to you. And I will see you in the next video. Okay?